Although the Lazer CANNY Contactless Reader is waterproof, its installed rating is IP64, suitable for protected areas within the engine bay. In locations with direct water exposure or accumulation, signal interference may occur. To improve protection, wrap the CANNY device in self-amalgamating tape to prevent water accumulation and ensure a clear CAN signal. First, switch off the vehicle and unplug the headlight connector. Locate the CANNY device and confirm CAN high and CAN low wires are cable tied to the correct sides. Peel the tape backing and wrap around the device, stretching and overlapping each layer with no gaps. The tape should fully cover the device and a portion of the existing harness. Reconnect the headlight and confirm everything is secure and functioning. Once wrapped, the install is rated IP66, protected against water exposure, though submersion is still not recommended.